Hi, in this video session we'll see how to deploy a secure access virtual appliances on the ESX server. Okay, firstly I click on File and then click on Deploy OVF template. I choose the option Deploy from File and I browse through to choose the OVF file which is stored on the local machine. So I have chosen this. Right now I'm choosing serial. It can also be deployed on VT. I click on next and the secure access virtual appliance information is shown here. The version is 7.0 or 1 and the download size is 400 megabytes. I click on next and I give the name of the virtual appliance here. Click on next again. I'm choosing the VM pool in which I have to store this virtual appliance. Click next. Choosing the disk where the hard disk of this VMware needs to be stored, and I am clicking on next and finish. As you can see in the screen that this virtual hard disk is getting created or getting uploaded from my local PC to the VMware ESX server. Okay, now it is fully uploaded. Now I want to access the serial console of this virtual appliance. So what I do is I'll go ahead and configure a serial pipe on the secure access virtual appliance. In order to do that, I click on add and I choose the serial port. Click on next. I am using the option connect to named pipe. I give the name of the pipe as SA-VA and the near end I should choose is the server side because this is the actual VM we want to access it, and the far end is virtual machines. Please don't forget to choose these options, connect at power on, and then I click on next. I click on finish. Now the serial port pipe is created on the server side. And I start this virtual machine now. And while it starts, I will go ahead and configure a client-side serial pipe. So this is my Windows XP virtual machines. I go to edit settings and I add a serial port here. I'm choosing serial port, click next, choose the option connect to named pipe, click on next. I give the name for the serial pipe and the near end should be client. Remember in the SA virtual appliance VMware we choose VM. We chose server side. The far end should be a virtual machine. Choose this option, connect at power on and click on next. I click on finish. Now the serial port is created on the client side. Click on OK. Now I start this Windows XP virtual machine VMware. Let's go ahead and see what is showing on the secure access virtual appliance screen. Okay, Right now it is booting a kernel. The client machine is also booting up. I connect to a serial port using PuTTY. I say yes, and I say yes for the license agreement. I type in the IP address, subnet mask, and the gateway. The DNS server. Type in the domain name, the DNS domain name. Yes. Okay. The admin username and password is set. I give the common name as sava1.sslvpnlab.com. I type in the random characters for creating the self-signed certificate. Okay, my setting is done. Now I should be able to access the web console of the virtual appliances using a browser. Okay, we are logged in. So that's all in this session. Thank you for watching this video.